is Fabrice, and today I'm going to show you the easiest way to install Kali Linux in your Oracle VirtualBox. So let's get started. So first thing first, we have to open your browser. You have to open your browser, and in this example I'm using Chrome. Once Chrome is open, you can just type in here Kali Linux downloads, and then this option should come up, Kali Linux download, and then you just click on it and it will load this page. Once you are on this page, you can just scroll down until you find Kali Linux 64-bit VirtualBox. So we will just click on that and you will open this page again. Make sure you are not downloading this one, the one that says VMware. We are interested on this one, so click on this one, Kali Linux VirtualBox images. Click to expand. Once you expand it, you have two options. You have Kali Linux VirtualBox 32-bit and 64-bit. I always go for 64-bit. Depending on how powerful your computer is, I would suggest that if your computer is powerful enough, choose the 64-bit. And then once you click on it, the download will start. You will see it right here, but I've already downloaded it, so there's no need for me to download it twice. I'll just cancel that. And then the second thing that we will do is we will open another tab and we will type in here. So what we are doing now is download and install our hypervisor. In this case, our hypervisor is VirtualBox. So we'll just click VirtualBox here, and then it will show up right here. So now we can just click on that. I'll always verify the URL to make sure we are going on the right website. This is the URL, virtualbox.org. So if you see that one should. So depending on when you are watching this video, this is the current version of VirtualBox. So we will click on VirtualBox 6.1, and it will take us to this page. And I'm assuming that you are using Windows, so we will click on Windows host. If you are using other OS like Linux or OS X, which is a Mac, you will choose this one. But in my case, I'm using Windows. I'll just click there, and then the download will start right here. Unlike the Kali Linux download, this one is pretty fast. It's only like 107 megabyte, so that should be pretty quick. So I'll just give it a couple of seconds more to download, and voila, that is done. So I'll just click here, and it will ask me if I want to run it. I'll say yes, run, and it will bring up this window right here. Just click next. So we will just use the default settings. We are not going to change anything. We just click next, yes, install, and then the user account control will pop up, and then we will say yes. Then just wait a couple of seconds while it's downloading, while it's installing in your system. So now it's done. Do you want to start it? Yes. So well done. We have finished downloading and installing VirtualBox. So don't worry. I've already installed so many things. So don't worry if yours doesn't show up like this. It's normal. So mine show up like this because I've previously install some virtual machine. So in your case, you just go to file right here and then import appliance. So once you are on this window, we will just navigate to the place where you downloaded your Kali Linux. So most of the time, if you haven't changed the path, your path is going to be in download. So I'll just click on this one, and then I'll just choose download right here, and then here it is. So you just choose this one, and then you click open, next, and then just leave everything as is, next, import right here. So just give it a couple of minutes, about 3 minutes, as you can see right here, and then you will install Kali Linux for you in your VirtualBox. So the process is the same, guys. If you were using VMware, the process is going to be the same. You're going to choose VMware. So just give it a couple of minutes. It can take a while though. Okay, so now it's done, guys. So now here it is. Here's the one that we have, Kali Linux rolling, blah blah blah. So if we click start right here, we're gonna have an error. So if we click start, so basically what we're doing is starting our machine, and as you can see, it gives us an error. This error is normal, so we just click on OK, and to resolve it, we only have to go to settings right here. Once in settings, we go to USB, and on USB we uncheck this one. It says enable USB control. We uncheck on it, make sure that it's unchecked, and click OK, and click next. Start. It's gonna go ahead and start our machine. As you can see, it's not giving us any error anymore, so just leave it as is. So the good thing about this one, guys, is that it gives you all the drivers, everything that you need, so you don't need to install anything at all. So everything is already installed for you, all the drivers, everything that you need to run Kali on your VirtualBox. So just give it a couple of seconds, and then for this one, the username for this one is root, and then the password is going to be the opposite of that. So TOOR. So TOOR, TOOR is going to be the password. So once you have put that in, click login, and voila, we are logged in. So you have successfully installed Kali Linux in your VirtualBox. So here it is. This is a new version of Kali, guys. All right, thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you like it, share it, and